Hi guys, it's Carl here again with another tip. This one is to convert videos to make them smaller without losing any of the actual quality in the video itself. The first thing you want to do is go to this site. I'll have it linked in the description. You just click download Handbrake, and then once it's done, you install it. I already have it downloaded and installed. I'm just going to open it. You can use these options to select a file if you really want, or this, if you have like a ripped DVD, it can compress all of it back into one single video file. I don't generally do this because I just convert videos to shrink their size. So I hit cancel. What you then do when you're at this screen, you select your video file. I've got this one. Drag it there, and it'll process the file. First thing you see is the summary. So you will choose a format that you want your output video to be in. I would suggest MP4 because it's more widely supported than MKV. Dimensions you don't touch unless you specifically want to convert it to like a lesser resolution or a higher resolution. Filters probably don't touch any of these unless you know what you're doing. And then video, this is where the trick comes in. You want to select H.264. You can use H.265 if you have a much stronger CPU because it takes a lot longer on slower CPUs, but it does compress a lot more as well. You want to select the frame rate to be same as source and constant frame rate, and then constant quality is, I think by default it's on 22. You can push it up all the way to 28. I wouldn't go much beyond that because that's where you do start losing quality. 25 is the sweet spot I found for most video files when you convert them. What you then want to do is you hit browse and then look for a destination. So I'm going to choose the same destination that I have this in, and then I'm going to say PS3 converter Handbrake. You hit save. You can also save these settings by hitting add and giving it a custom name. As you can see, I've already got mine as custom Carl. And then after this, you just hit start encode and you wait for it to finish. This will take quite a while depending on the size of the video, the quality of the video, and how much you're compressing it. As you can see, it's going pretty slowly, but I'm going to speed this and then I'll see you guys once it's done. Okay, now that the video is done, let's see. It went from 575 megabyte to 50.
Hey guys,
and if I look at the quality,
I'm gonna do a quick tutorial to download it.
spot check some random
For
areas.
you should change this to 1 or 2. If the game doesn't run well on 2, change it to 1. Lower is better technically. Here you should change this to
Okay, so let's see. At around 5 minutes, let's close it. Let's open the original. Then we go to around 5 minutes. That looks pretty damn similar. And it's 1/10 of the size. Okay, so now for the tricky part with Handbrake. Some video files that you download or have might already be compressed. If you compress a compressed file, you'll get very bad quality in images or sound. Usually what I've seen is the sound. It sounds like you're playing the video through a pipe. The audio completely just goes to shit. If that happens, try and lower that RF value. If you make it lower and the video is fine, then it's fine. If you make it lower and the video still stays crappy quality, then that video has been too compressed and you can't use it. You can't compress that anymore. Except for that, good luck with converting the stuff, guys. I hope this tutorial helps you, and I'll see you next time.